In PCBA production, some risks cannot be seen by the eye. Static electricity is one of them. One unsafe touch may not cause an obvious problem right away, but it can affect component stability later. That is why ESD protection is not just a rule. It is a detail we must follow every day. Before entering the production area, the first step is to check personal ESD protection. ESD clothing and ESD shoes must be worn properly before entering the workshop. Before entering, each person must touch the ESD discharge post to release static from the body. Then they pass through the air shower to remove dust from clothing, and further reduce the chance of bringing contamination or static risk into the workshop. People are one of the most common sources of static in the workshop. ESD clothing must not only be worn, but worn correctly. Before touching components or PCBAs, the ESD wrist strap must be worn correctly. The wrist strap cannot just be worn. It must connect to a proper ground point. Hand protection and correct board handling reduce unnecessary contact risks. ESD protection is not only about people. The workstation must stay controlled. The ESD table mat helps reduce static risk when products touch the work surface. The table mat must be grounded for the protection to work properly. The ESD floor works with ESD shoes to reduce static buildup from movement. These signs are not decoration. They remind everyone to follow ESD rules during operation. Components need ESD protection during storage, temporary holding, and transfer. Both material information and protection status must be clear. During transfer, ESD containers are used to avoid moving components without protection. PCBAs on the product rack cannot be placed casually. Direct contact with uncontrolled materials should be avoided. During handling and placement, we reduce friction and impact, and avoid touching components directly. Before touching the product, protection must be checked first. Any direct handling of PCBAs should be done at a controlled workstation. After handling, the product is placed back on an ESD rack, in an ESD bag, or in an ESD transfer container. Each ESD requirement should have a matching inspection record. Wrist straps, table mats, and ground points are key items in daily checks. Product racks, workstation conditions, and transfer containers are checked against ESD requirements. If something is not correct, it must be fixed in time before moving to the next step. ESD protection is not one action. It is a set of details repeated every day. Static electricity is invisible, but our protection must be visible.